Guys, Christmas is done and we are into the new year. So what do we all think about after a week of Christmas indulgence? Yes, getting fit. Trouble is, with us seasonal gym goers, is that we go hell for leather and then we strain ourselves, or even worse, we get an injury. Well, half the battle is obviously taking it easy when you train, and the other half is making sure that you look after yourself afterwards. So I've got a great little device for you to help you with that, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, come January, for most of us, the one thing on our minds is getting fit, but training is only half of it. We need to ensure that we're keeping loose and we're keeping our muscles in good shape so they can heal. So guys, whether you have an injury, whether you want to prevent an injury, or simply want to deal with the stress or other related aches and pains, this deep tissue muscle massager from Arboleaf is just what you need. Now, before we get started, Arboleaf sent me this massager to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you will know that if you follow my channel, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box, get it set up, and see how it performs. So first off guys, we've got some instructions. We also have this nice little carry bag, and then we have an array of stuff including 4 different attachments of different shapes and sizes so that you can get into every nook and cranny. First of all, you have a ball head. This is a low impact attachment for massaging sensitive or sore areas. Then guys, we have the fork head, and this is ideal for massaging your neck and your spine. Then guys, we have the bullet head, and this is used for massaging maybe hands, feet, or certain knots that you have. And lastly guys, we have the flat head, and now this flat head is going to really be good for attacking larger muscle groups. So guys, all the attachments are made from a kind of rubbery silicone, so they're going to be quite soft to touch and they're going to be quite durable. There's also a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, as yes, this bad boy is rechargeable, which is definitely going to save you messing around with batteries. And now guys, we get this main unit out and we are greeted with a pretty small and very nice to hold in the hand device. Now, there is a little bit of weight to it, but rather than it feeling uncomfortable, it actually feels reassuringly solid. Now, powering on the device is as simple as pushing and holding in the button, and once it's on, you can select the speed you want. Trust me guys, the speed equals the intensity, and turning this all the way up can get pretty intense. Now, speed 1 is 2000 RPM, and this is really for kind of warming up muscles or for very sore muscles, just what you need after a gym session. Speed 2 is 2500 RPM, and it's more suited to soothing tired or sore muscles. Again, a gym goer's dream. The next speed is speed 3, and that operates at 3000 RPM. And this is where you are going to want to be for attacking all of those stiff muscles. Speed 4 is 3200 RPM, and this is for very sore and for very stiff muscles or really deep, tight knots. And the last speed, guys, is speed 5, and this is a kind of auto mode which changes speed and intensity from 1000 to 3200 RPM, depending on how much pressure you're applying to the attachment. I mean, all in all guys, I'd say start low and work yourself up. Let your body be the judge. I found this very satisfying after a workout to just be able to get my muscles nicely relaxed after the gym, kind of break down some of that lactic acid. And if you do have an injury or something a little more sinister, this would be a great starting point before you start paying out for physios and massages, especially if you have a willing partner to do it for you. And guys, at less than £70 before any discounts, this is a fraction of the cost of getting a massage or even a physio session after the damage has been done. It's also pretty quiet. It lasts around 8 hours on a 3 to 5 hour charge, and it also has an auto shutdown function after about 10 minutes. So guys, there you have it. This is just what you need to support your 2023 fitness goals and to while away those aches and pains. This is hugely functional, hugely portable and easy to use. It's quiet, and more importantly, it won't break the bank. Guys, I will leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. If you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And guys, if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching, and guys, thanks to Arboleaf for sending me this great and very, very handy product. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.